And folks, once again, if you're joining us here for Phoenix, we do have a full flight planned this afternoon. Overhead bin space is extremely limited on board. We will be offering a courtesy bag check for anybody who would like to take advantage of that carry-on bag. We'll tag those bags to your final destination via baggage claim. There's no charge for any bags being checked in with us. Group 4, you're welcome to join us here at K20 for Phoenix. As my colleague mentioned, continue storing your small bags under your seat. Larger carry-on items can be stowed in the overhead compartment. If you are in the later boarding groups, we do typically look at running out of space. If you'd like to step forward and check in your carry-on bags, just see the agent here at K20. We'll be happy to assist you.
Hey, hold your mouth. It's not funny. Don't touch your eyes.
Group 5 for Phoenix,